Ruo kuigwa mururi ucio ratwathiriria tukorwo tugithi mwena uri ungi niguo tukorwo tukirora ripoti ya mathako na tukiambia ciĩgiĩ mathako ni ati kirabu kia Mackenzie FC ni wahotani ya Mbĩtĩka cia Tala Open ikerekaria kana mwena wa anake na Okatani Secondary makiyukia gikombe mwena wa airetu ngucanio-ini ici irakuruhanagia irabu na timu cia mathukuru kuma kaunti-ini cia Makueni, Kitui, Nairobi na Embu. Mackenzie final maratandĩkanire na nyanake cia thukuru wa Upper Hill kuma gũkũ Nairobi kuria thutha wa draw ya bao 1-1. Ngucanio iratanahirwo na mikwanjo ya penalty makihotana na mikwanjo 5-4. Nyarari cia thukuru wa secondary wa Katani na makianura Araira Educational Center na bao 1-0 muthako-ini wa ikafu. Upper Hill iratoririe Tala Titans na ikafu 25-23 nacio nyarari cia Tala irambura muthetheni na ikafu 14-9. Mithako ingi irari ya hockey na handball. Ngucanio irari thukuru-ini wa Tala.
Tunashukuru, imetupea challenge mzuri sana sisi kama timu ya Mackenzie na pia kama na hizo timu zingine za wanafunzi. Mimi naomba tu serikali, wazazi waendelee kusupport.
We are the champions in handball and we are the champions in basketball 5-on-5. Therefore, we really appreciate this tournament has really helped us to prepare these teams, and therefore we will go far.
We have brought together 83 schools and the teams were over 123. This tournament is bringing together teams to prepare for high school games. We had qualified referees who have offered very good refereeing. We want to encourage the schools which have not sent their schools to this tournament to do so during the next edition, the 5th edition, which is coming in second term.